Hi, I'm Caleb with Lake State Cleaning. Let's take a minute to run through our gutter cleaning packages so you know exactly what you're going to get for your money. Our basic package includes collection of debris from the trays of your gutters. We also collect up debris in the valleys of your roof and clear debris where accessible. We also do a visual inspection of your downspout openings to clear up any obvious clogs. When we're done, we'll send you photo confirmation of the completed work so you can see that we did what you paid us for. Our standard package includes everything we just mentioned in the basic package, but we also flush out all of your downspouts with a high volume of water. This ensures that there aren't any clogs or debris stuck in the elbows or the downspouts that we can't see, and that you have proper flow in your downspouts. We also include an industry-exclusive 14-day warranty. That means if you have any issues with your gutters, any drainage problems or additional clogs that occur within 14 days of service, just give us a call. We'll come back and take care of it at no charge. The Ultimate package includes everything that we mentioned in the standard package, and it also includes a high volume flush out of all of your trays. This removes nearly every speck of debris in your entire gutter system, ensuring like new functionality. So those are our packages. Hopefully you find something that fits your needs. Let us know if you have any questions, and we're looking forward to working with you.